Hey folks, this is Autotune Media. My name is Enzo, and for this episode, we will be doing something that's a little different from the ones that we usually do, which is car reviews. For this episode, we will be doing a product review, and what we have today is the 70mai A800se. So I've been using this smart dashcam for the past week, and I have a lot of things to say about it. And so if you don't have a dashcam yet and you're looking for one, be sure to stay tuned throughout the video because this might be the one that you're looking for.
So let's jump right into this review, and first let's see what's inside the box. By the way, there are 4 options to choose from when buying this dashcam, and that depends on your needs. You can buy just the front cam, which is the main unit. You can bundle it with the rear cam. You can also go for the front cam and the OBD hardware kit, which you'll see later. And the one that we have today is the 4th option, which includes everything such as the front cam, rear cam, and the OBD hardware kit. Since we have the full set, here is the box, and now let's open it. The first thing that you'll see here is the tiny folder on top of the box. This one houses several things that you can use in the installation of your dashcam. Of course, you have the user manual for the front cam, the user manual for the rear cam, 2 electrostatic films for the rear cam, and of course 2 films for the front cam. Lastly, you get 2 extra double-sided tapes for both the front and rear cams. In the box itself, you have the rear cam, the front cam, and another compartment for the wiring. Here's the rear cam. It has this cylinder-shaped housing, and what I like about this is that it's not too big so that it distracts my view when I look at my rear view mirror. It's just the right size. This rear camera is able to capture 30 frames per second at 30 FPS, so you still get good quality footage from behind your car, which is important because accidents don't always happen at the front of the vehicle. So this enhances your driving security. And this is the front camera, which has all the tech features that come with your dashcam. At the front, you have a 3-inch IPS LCD screen and 4 buttons below to navigate your dashcam settings. It has this rugged housing material, making the front cam feel durable. But of course, what's important is what's inside, right? And I'm happy to report that this dashcam comes with super capacitors instead of batteries. So it can withstand extreme temperatures such as the high heat here in the Philippines, especially during summer. And there's the true 4K 30 FPS camera of the 70mai A800se. This camera captures crystal clear footage when you're driving, so everything is captured with clarity. As such, you can also use this camera to capture the beautiful sceneries in your trip. Now let's look at the accessories that come with this camera. The first one is this USB car charger that plugs into your car's power outlet. According to the user's manual, this should be used to power your dashcam as it supplies the proper amount of electricity to the device. This is the power cord to your front cam, and this is the power cord for your rear cam that plugs into the front dashcam. Lastly, you have this plastic tab in here with adhesive at the back, which you will use to mount the dashcam to the windshield. Oh, and I forgot to mention that it also comes with this plastic prying tool to help you tuck the wires beneath the ceiling and the dashboard for that clean look after installation. And lastly, we have this OBD hardware kit, which comes in a separate box. This harness plugs straight into your car's OBD port. It has its own power module, and on the other end of it, it has this USB-C port which plugs into your front cam. So when you have the hardware kit, you no longer have to use the USB power supply as this one replaces that. Be sure to purchase a micro SD card when you buy a dashcam. Let's now talk about the features of the 70mai A800se. The first one is my favorite. It's the true 4K 30 FPS camera that captures crisp and crystal clear footages. This one is from my drive inside Clark City, Pampanga. And as you can see, the camera exposes the blue sky as well as the asphalt pavement. The trees and grasses at the side also have this nice saturation to them. And as we go through this tunnel, notice that the footage doesn't get underexposed and it still captures what's happening inside. Now we're approaching the tunnel exit and you'll see that the front cam adjusts the exposure in an instant, thereby allowing you to get good footage under bright daylight and even under dark tunnels. Now we're approaching a stoplight and take a look at that sign at the outer edge of the road. Even while in motion, the dashcam was still able to capture what's written on it. Here's footage from a gloomy afternoon weather with some raindrops on my windshield. Notice that the camera still captures the road quite nicely, despite the smudge of water from my wipers. Lastly, here's nighttime footage inside Mega World Capital Town Pampanga. Notice that the powerful lights of the street lamps don't cause glare in our footage, and the camera does a good job in balancing the light from the street lamps as well as the dark night sky. That's because of the hardware level HDR that's inside this dashcam. That piece of tech is responsible for the crisp nighttime footage that you see here. Now let's see if it still captures crystal clear details. Let us zoom in, and there you have it. Still detailed footage at night. Now let's move on to its rear camera. So the rear camera in the A800SE is optional, and this one records 1080p, also at 30 fps, just like the front cam. Now the front cam is undeniably better than the rear cam because the front is obviously the most important footage to capture in a dashcam, but this one isn't bad at all. Just take a look at this footage along the highway. Notice that the sun is still very bright in there, and the camera still manages to balance the exposure in order to capture as many details as possible, such as the plate numbers of the cars behind us. At night, the rear camera isn't bad too, because it's able to capture details from the vehicle behind, especially when it's closer to us. The Advanced Driver Assistance System, or ADAS, is a very smart feature of the 70mai A800SE, and you will appreciate this when you own a car that doesn't have one, like mine. Because ADAS is a high-tech security feature that is mostly available only in high-end vehicles or EVs with built-in radars. So the ADAS in the A800SE is truly a welcome feature. This dashcam comes with 5 types of alerts such as lane departure, forward vehicle start, forward collision alert, and alerts for nearby pedestrians and cyclists. Let's now see how it works in the real world. This is footage along North Luzon Expressway under heavy rainfall, and this will show that as I try to change to a different lane, the camera alerts me about it. Did you hear it? Let's hear it again. The next footage exhibits the front collision warning. Notice that there is a car in front of us, and as I get closer to it, the camera alerts me about it.
Caution, front car.
I also tested if the ADAS will still work with distractions on the windshield. As you can see here, there are water droplets, and I intentionally didn't use my wiper, and the dashcam still saw the rider.
Attention to riders.
Impressive, isn't it? Lastly, the 70mai A800SE also alerts you of nearby pedestrians. And in here, we're about 10 to 15 meters away from them, and the dashcam already alerted me.
Attention to pedestrians.
Here's another one.
Attention to pedestrians.
The next one is another feature of this 70mai A800SE, which I hope I wouldn't need, and that's the buffered emergency recording. This feature is all about keeping evidence when it so happens that you get in a collision with another vehicle, or similar to what you can see when another vehicle cut in front of you and sideswiped you. Basically, when that happens, all you have to do is press the button below this icon that resembles a flag. That is the emergency button. And what it does is it automatically isolates the footage seconds before and after the collision and saves them in a secure folder which you can access later on and present as evidence in case of a legal dispute. So the essence of it is that it gives the authorities full context about what really transpired during that event. Lastly, we have features 5 and 6, which we already combined because these two features both require one thing, and that is the OBD hardware kit that I showed you before, which plugs straight into your car's OBD port as it requires power supply even when the car is off. Sadly, as of this filming, I'm yet to try these features, but let me explain to you how they work. The G-sensor collision detection senses disturbances around the car when you're not around. This feature automatically records a 30-second video upon sensing a disturbance, saves the video in a secure folder, and notifies you when you turn on your vehicle. That's a very cute dog, by the way. Next is the time-lapse recording, which acts as a CCTV inside your car that records videos at 1 frame per second using both the front cam and the rear cam while your car is parked. You can then review the footage when you get back so you know what happened around your car while you're away. What I like about the 70mai A800se is that it's truly a smart dashcam with a seamless user experience. And that's because of this 70mai app. You can connect the A800se to this app via Wi-Fi and you can tweak every setting using your smartphone. More importantly, you can access every footage and pictures taken by your dashcam via this app and download them directly to your phone. No need to unmount the dashcam from your car. Drive safer, drive smarter. The 70mai A800se is your everyday road companion. This is the slogan that was given to this dashcam, and I can say that 70mai has accomplished its promise for the A800se. This dashcam gave me the peace of mind that I needed when driving. So to sum it all up, the A800se is a good dashcam, considering all the features that it has managed to pack at a price that's justifiable, a price that's affordable for people who want to protect their prized possession, which is their car. So if you're looking for a smart dashcam, I highly suggest giving the 70mai A800se a try. Use my link in the description if you're convinced with it. This has been Enzo from AutoTune. Till next time.